Step 1 is locating your house box. This is step 2. First, you'll want to find the best spot to drill your hole. Mark it with electrical tape where you would like to drill. Still steer clear of any electrical or utilities in the wall. Just mark a nice X where you would like to drill your hole. Then measure from a window over. We're at 36 inches. That's 3 feet. This is just a rough estimate. And about 6 inches down from the window. Then you would go to the outside and do the same step of measuring over to see if there's anything on the outside that you would hit a driller. The second part of step 2 is to measure over where you'll be drilling from the inside out. We were at 36 inches over from the window and we were clear. Again, on step 2, you're going to want to use a 5/8 drill bit, about 16 inches long. To get all the way through the wall, main objective is not hit anything that's inside of the wall. So in most homes, electrical is either going straight up or straight down. And if it is going straight up, sometimes it'll go across like this, or it'll go straight across. So you always want to go on a 45-degree angle from an electrical outlet, roughly 45 degrees. Now that we've measured off and we know we're not going to hit anything on the inside or outside by drilling all the way through the wall, remove your electrical tape, attach your 5/8 drill bit into your drill. Go ahead and proceed to drill into the wall. I always stop as soon as I get through the first layer of wall, just trying to see if there's anything in the wall that you're going to hit. There's nothing there. You just proceed to keep drilling. We're all the way through. You just pull out. Now that we have the hole all the way through the wall, we have to get our fiber cable through there. If you just push your fiber cable in there, it's just going to fall down into the wall and you won't get all the way through. So your next step after drilling your hole is to take the end of your fiber cable that's coming out of your O&T, and it will have a cap on your end of your thing. Do not remove this cap. Leave it on there. Take your electrical tape, about 8 inches. Start wrapping the end of your fiber cable, like so. And then stop when you're getting towards the end of it. Take the butt end of your drill bit, put it up against it. Do not overlap, butt it up against your cap. Again, do not remove your cap or do not touch the end of your fiber cable without the cap. It will get it dirty and you'll have issues. And then just wrap your electrical tape around the end of your drill bit like so. So it's got a nice snug grasp and it's not going to get removed. Doing this to push the cable through the wall in your hole. Now take your drill bit, put it into your hole, jostle it around until it gets through the hole. Now it's through, and we're gonna go outside, pull the rest of the fiber cable through without kinking or twisting your fiber cable. You never wanna kink your fiber. Okay, now once you're outside after you drilled your hole and you pushed your fiber cable and drill bit through, you're just gonna wanna pull it out nice and slow. Do not want to kink your cable. No 90-degree hard bends, soft bends are fine. Just pull enough cable out to reach your house box. Right here we're about 20 feet away from our house box. So we only need about 20 to 25 feet of cable. That should be fine right there. This is the inside of your house box. This is the original cable that's ran inside of your house box that you'll just see hanging here, or it may be already attached to this port. This is the fiber cable that we were running from inside. We're gonna go up through this U-shaped bushing. We need to poke a hole in here, which your technician will probably already do for you. We're gonna poke a hole in there, use a knife, needle nose pliers, whatever. We're gonna push this through here, pull out a little slack, slide this back in, just so it's sealed. And we're gonna remove these little caps inside of this coupler. Your coupler will be green. Take those caps off. Now we can remove the cap off of your fiber. And there's a notch. The notch will be facing towards you. There's not a notch on the back side. There's a notch on the front. We're gonna take that notch and we're gonna slide it right in. Clicks. You wanna hear that click? That means it is sealed and it's inside of there. Same thing with the other side. If it is not attached already, pull your cap off, slide it in. We are now attached. You can put your fiber cable through the notches so it looks nice and neat. That is complete, and you can shut your house box door. No need to lock it or screw it shut. So now that we have the house box shut, everything's connected inside. We're gonna take your fiber, we're gonna screw clip it to your house by attaching screw clips first, holding the screw clip down, and take your 1/4 inch drive bit or Phillips bit and carefully, very carefully and slowly screw it to it snug. Do not over tighten it. It can pinch the fiber and cause internet issues. Think of it as a garden hose and how the water needs to flow through a garden hose. And just keep doing the same all the way down till you reach your hole. I'm gonna tuck it into the J channels of the siding. Your house may not have siding. Just be careful not to corner your fiber or pinch it or kink it. Very important. This is a lengthy process. It won't be done quickly. Just take your time and be very careful. Safety is number one. Take all the extra fiber cable that you have and lightly push it back into the house. Sometimes it'll get jammed up. Just pull it back out and push it back in. There you go. Take your final clip. Screw it on. Now you're going to want to add your silicone or caulk, whatever you would like to use to seal your hole. In this instance, I'll be using 100% silicone, mold free, mold resistant. Just squirt it in the hole, work your way out, and then get around the hole. Perfect. So now that we came back inside, we've ran the cable on the outside. Your installation will come with your ONT/modem/router, already pre-connected with the other end of the fiber inside of here. And this is your battery backup. That'll come with it, along with the wall plate that'll be on the wire already. And just attach your wall plate to the wall. Just take some of your screw clips that will be provided. Take the plastic part off. You have a screw with 2 of them. Now we're just going to attach your wall plate to your wall. Plug in your modem/router to an electrical outlet. Your lights will come on. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes before you'll have your service light. That's your 3rd light down. It says service. Once that is a solid green, you have internet service, and you'll want to call us to set up your Wi-Fi or to set up your own router.